Okay, what we're gonna do here, we're gonna show you. Now I'm doing this by myself, so bear with me here. I'm gonna bring up, let's see, I should have done this first. I call this YouTube 1. Alright, you should be able to see that. Now this is a great, I'm an electrician like you guys, and I started dabbling when I retired, and I got hurt, and I started learning little by little, but the best thing, the very first thing, that if you get this down, and it is very simple, if you get yourself a breadboard and some resistors, go to Radio Shack, I'll tell you what you need and all that. This one here is are some emergency flashing lights. Now and there's always ways to amplify these. These here, if you can see my finger, these are just LEDs to show you what these timers are doing, but you can have a lot of fun. You can have a lot of fun with them. So let me back zoom a little bit. There you go, and that's everything. When I replay it, I'll see if you can read the little notes I have, but I'm going to give you specifics, like this is a resistor, this little thing here, that's a capacitor, that's the timer. You might have to go to Radio Shack and get that. 9-volt battery here. Like I don't want to run out of power, so I'm just real quick doing. These are LEDs, light emitting diodes, stuff like that. But that's what we're going to work on next. My wife's not around anymore. She works full time. I'm here retired during the day and answering any questions. Electrical, of course, is my trade, and you just can email me anytime with your questions about stuff. Just you know, jbelectric777@yahoo.com. And I'm going to put some fresh batteries in this guy, and if you guys can see this, get a breadboard and start to put it together. And this is 2 of them because I used different color LEDs to make it look like an emergency flashing vehicle. But if you amplified those, geez, you can amplify anything. You can have this amplified to 120 volt lamps that, you know, you'd really make a scene with stuff like that. You could add speakers to it. But once you get this down, you're going to see that everything else is really easy. You know, like the next easiest thing I'm going to show you are MOSFETs, metal oxide semi-conducting field effect transistors. Now they are power transistors. You can do just about anything with them. They can switch 10, 12 amps at high voltages and stuff. So all kinds of good stuff to get into. But let me check this one, put some fresh batteries in the camera, and I will be back. Thanks.